Hi, welcome to I Am an Artist. In this lesson, we're going to learn about value. Let's get started. Value is one of the 7 elements of art with line, shape, form, color, texture, and space. Value is how light or dark a color is. It is used to make objects look three-dimensional. The value scale shows you a full range of values from white to black. Tint is the color mixed with white. So red becomes pink, blue becomes light blue, and so on. Shade is the color mixed with black. Tone is produced by mixing a color with gray. You can change the value through tinting, shading, and toning. Successful artwork uses a full range of values to create the illusion of light. There are many ways to create value in artwork. Hatching is putting lines close together. Cross-hatching uses lines that cross over each other. The closer the lines are all together, the darker the area appears. You can also do the stippling or random mark in the same way. Paint can be mixed to create a full range of value. Pencil or charcoal can be blended to create smooth shading transitions. We can create an illusion of a form by understanding how light reacts on the object. Light is understood on the object through highlight, light, midtone, core shadow, shadow, reflected light, accent, and cast shadow. The highlight is where the light is hitting the object directly. It is usually represented by the lightest value of the color. The midtone is the middle value of the color. The shadows are where the light is not hitting. The core shadow is usually represented by a darker value of the color. The cast shadow is where the shadow is casted surrounding objects and surfaces because of blocked light. It is usually represented by the darkest value in the image. The reflected light is where an object is lighter because the light reflects off of surrounding objects. We created some interesting artwork with value through various activities. You can check them in our Let's Art list. I hope you had fun. See you in the next lesson. Bye!